final day of that hearing. For months now, Ryan Chandler's been portrayed as the worst cop in Houston. Today, he took the stand in his own defense as he fights to get his badge back. The disgraced former HPD Sergeant, Chief Charles McClellan, called
lazy, he was a liar,
finally told his side of the story before an independent arbitrator.
I didn't wake up in the morning thinking, well, let's see who I can pull the wool over today. I didn't wake up thinking, let's see which cases I can ignore today.
Ryan Chandler says there are serious problems within the division, including a lack of guidance from supervisors, problems that crippled how he did his job.
And it reached a point almost of critical mass where I had so many cases that the one that I originally got it was impossible to get back to that one. And then from there, it turned into a snowball effect.
The former sergeant says he was overworked, burdened with an unreasonable caseload.
Could someone else have been more efficient? Most likely. Absolutely. But I was doing my best with what I had to work with.
HPD maintains Chandler was the problem, citing 20 homicide cases that he failed to investigate for years.
They weren't finished. They weren't complete cases. It was negligence.
Perhaps more importantly, HPD attorneys say Chandler failed the families of Houston murder victims and damaged HPD homicide's reputation, a charge Chandler finally addressed today.
I don't want to give the impression that I am not concerned about these cases. I know just as well as anyone else that every one of these cases represents a grieving family. I feel as upset and want to give these people, these families, closure as much as anybody.
That hearing wrapped earlier today. Now the arbitrator has 2 to 3 weeks to decide whether Chandler will get his badge back. We're live in the newsroom tonight. I'm Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.